Ethan Andre, you're 12 years old. What is your most valuable possession?
My PlayStation.
Happy birthday, big boy. Let's hit the road. Let's hit the road.
What?
Time to get up. Hey,
What?
you're not going to school today.
What?
Let's go. Hey, E-Man. You're not going to school today.
I said pizza, not pista.
Ethan Andre, it's 3:40 in the morning.
It is.
Where do you think we're going?
No idea at all. I was kind of thinking Spain because you always said you wanted to take me.
Ethan Andre, are you ready for your adventure to begin?
Yeah. To be opened by my big boy. Let the adventure begin. Love you very much, Papi. So many great sea.
Are you ready to roll?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah. Cool.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Was it totally hot or
I
what?
want to go another time.
Big boy and Pop signing out for the night. We had a full day. We're out. Peace. Love to the public.
Good night.
Love you.
No ir al colegio mañana.
Esto no. Todo el resto del año, buen deseo.
Buen deseo. Ay, también.
Lo tomé en cuenta.
Ethan Andre, you're 12 years old. I cannot wait to get started on this birthday surprise. This is going to be the best birthday ever. Have a great time with your friends and family. I can't wait to get started on your birthday. Let the fun begin. Poppy. Out.
Feliz cumpleaños, mi hombrecito bello. Te amo, te reamo. Que seas muy feliz y espero que lo hayas pasado espectacular con tus amigos y con la familia. Te adoro. Felices 12.
Happy birthday, Ethan. Love you. Bye.
Hola mi niño hermoso, feliz cumpleaños, espero que lo haya pasado lindo con todos sus amiguitos, te quiero mucho y que sea muchos años más, que salga muy bien en el colegio, que es lo principal. Te amo mi niño, chao.
Feliz cumpleaños, Ethan. Te quiero.
¿Ya? Feliz cumpleaños, Ethan, espero que lo hayas pasado genial, te quiero mucho.
Feliz cumpleaños, Ethan, te queremos mucho los tres.
Hola, Ethan. Feliz cumpleaños. Te quiero mucho, tu primo.
Hola Ethan, un muy feliz cumpleaños te desea tu tío Fabián, un año más que estamos junto a ti y espero estar siempre contigo. Te amo mucho, besitos.
Hola Ethan, feliz cumpleaños, te quiero mucho.
Happy birthday, I just wanted to call me and wish you happy birthday.
Done? Say love you.
Love you, Ethan. Bye. Happy birthday, Ethan. I hope you're having a great birthday. I'm stuck here with my little sister hosting a crazy birthday party. But you're partying.
They're at a trampoline park.
You guys are at a trampoline park. It's so much fun. Well, I hope you have the best birthday, Ethan. If you can hear that screaming downstairs, that's the little girl's going crazy. Bye.
Hey, what's up, Ethan? Happy birthday, brother. Big day today. Hope you're having a great time at the trampoline park. And whatever reason I don't get a hold of you, I love you, little man. And happy birthday to you, okay? Love, Uncle Scott.